Linking your bank account to Medium allows for seamless transactions related to your earnings on the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Medium account. Start by opening the Medium website or app and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROG to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the payment information section. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the payment information section. This is where you will manage your bank account details. Step 4. Add your bank account. Click on the option to add a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to link your bank account to your Medium profile. Now you are all set to receive payments directly to your bank account from Medium. Following these steps ensures a smooth connection for your financial transactions on the platform.